Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a text watermark horizontally in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Google Docs document. In this video, I will show add text watermark in horizontally. Now going to the insert menu option, then click for watermark option. Now you show the interface, then select from text option. Now insert the text. Now type your text. Then you show the type text, then select from my formatting option. Now select from any source font. Now we select from size, then select from bold, non-bold, and select from any source color. Then click for horizontal option. Now click for done option. That is. Now you can see add a text watermark horizontally in Google Docs is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.